Hello, Cleveland, and welcome to your daily TA. Let's get into the charts. All right, so let's take a quick peek at the 90-minute chart that we were looking at yesterday. So we'll see that Bitcoin actually failed to break up and over the local resistance that we were talking about yesterday of 96.7, just about. It came up to there. Let's get rid of this retracement here. Let's just expand it out a little bit. We'll bring you out a little further, a lot further, just to leave those lines there, but keep the text off of there so it's a little more visible here. All right, so what we were looking at was this local resistance point near 96.7. We can extend that out a little bit more, and you'll see that we came up to it, got just a bit over it, and then fell right back down. Not only did it fall right back down, it fell down hard, breaking right through this support here, right through the golden pocket of the fib retracement level. And we'll turn this guy red because, he dropped. Okay. So now this is another resistance as well, local resistance as well. And price action is finding itself down at 94, at the 94,000 support level, just under it actually. It's breaking underneath. That's okay. We've seen a few breakouts underneath of there as before. This has actually been a support level several times since way back in the late November. This has been, we've hit it once, twice, no, not that time, but once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and we're hitting it for a 9th time. Will it bounce? We shall see. This little thing here, that's where we were like, oh, might come up here, test this resistance, and then come back down. Didn't even get that far. Did not get that far. Got stopped by the local resistances, and didn't even make it up to this one here at 97.5. Just got stopped at 96.7. Came back down at 94 now. This is a place where we could see a bounce, or we could see it continue down to our local support here near 92,000. And support needs to be held there, or here. Better to be held here, but at the worst, needs to be held down here at 92,000 for us to see another little test of that support, and then hopefully another move back up from there. This could even be considered a triple bottom. Get rid of this old head and shoulders here. But yeah, that could be considered a triple bottom, actually. We'll do a path. Coming down from here, there would be the first bottom. That would be the first bottom. Come back up. Here would be the second bottom. Came back up. And if it comes back down again, that could be the third bottom, and then a triple bottom would come back up to where it started, which would be about 108, or all-time high. If it does that. Could, might not. Again, 92 has to hold for that to become a triple bottom. If it doesn't hold, then, well, yeah, we're going to keep going down. And the indicators don't really look too bullish right now. The RSI is showing lower lows. Price action showing lower lows. Yep, price action showing lower lows. Even lows with this low. Well, okay. If price action can hold here, then this would be forming a even low. Make that blue. Even low, while RSI is showing lower lows. So now that could be hidden bullish if price action doesn't go any lower. So we'll look at that again later to see if what price action does. The indicators not looking so good. Stochastics showing downward momentum and in bearish territory. Now it could turn around from here, maybe, if the bulls can catch here, but it looks like it's continuing to drop now as we speak. Yep. And so yeah, if 92 can hold, then maybe we'll see a reversal and on the 90-minute Stokes, and that'll drive the 6-hour Stokes back up, perhaps driving price action back into this pattern here. However, if not, we are seeing price action coming down out of the bear flag, which means that these measured moves might get hit. Down here near 85 and down here near 70, 79. Stokes also looking bearish on the 6-hour chart, and despite this one little thing, we are seeing higher lows here. Still, technically seeing higher lows here, just slightly, and higher lows here on the RSI as well. Confluence there. So possibly that triple bottom hits and we'll see some more upside, but more likely, since we're now also under the 200 MA on the 600, on the 6-hour chart, this bear flag's most likely going to play out. So expect some major downside to 85, 79. The daily, can the daily save us? Let's take a look. The daily does look like it could be forming a double bottom. Let's extend this fib retracement. No, it's fine. It's not blocking anything. But yeah, it's looking like it could be forming a little double bottom here, starting up there, going down to there. That would be the first. There would be the second. And then it could come back up to where it came from. Could be, again, to test our all-time highs, if that plays out. But we are under the 200 on the 6-hour chart now, and we're very far from the 200 on the daily, which is hanging out way down here at 71. So yeah. And also those two dumps that we were talking about before on the 6-hour chart, those would lead to the near the golden pocket or into the golden pocket of the fib retracement. Not that one, this one on the daily. But yeah, not looking good. Daily also RSI in bearish territory, showing bearish momentum. Same thing here on the Stokes on the daily. The Stokes are pushing down underneath their signal line, showing downward movement. This could be bad. This could be bad. All right. So yeah, we're looking for 85. Hopefully to get caught. We're looking to get caught at 92. If price action can't get caught at 92, if the bulls can't push up from there, the bears have control, and we're going to see 85 next. Hate to say it, but that's what's happening right now. Well, thanks for watching. It's not a happy day, because Bitcoin's not going to be moving up, but a little downside, a little correction never hurt anybody, especially in a bull market. I don't think that this is the end of the bull run. I think there's still room to go, but a healthy correction, or a massive correction even, more than we've seen so far, which we've seen a pretty much like 15, almost 20% correction so far. If we get down to 85, we're looking at a 30, like a 30, maybe a little over, actually, a little over. No, right around 30. But yeah, 30% correction, not unheard of during a bull market, bull run, bull cycle, whatever you want to call it. Not unheard of. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, Give us a like, give us a subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook. Music courtesy of Luminist and Sax Squatch. Check them out on the interwebs, on their socials. They're great. And yeah, much love. See you later.